In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an automated birthday email in Mailchimp. To get started, open Mailchimp and log into your account. Use your normal sign-in method, and once you are inside, wait for the main dashboard to fully load. This is where you will manage your audiences, campaigns, automations, and customer journeys. For this tutorial, we are focusing specifically on creating an automated birthday email. So the goal is to build a journey that sends a message based on a birthday date connected to someone in your audience. Once you are on the Mailchimp dashboard, look for the Automate icon in the navigation menu. Click the Automate icon to open the automation area. This section is where Mailchimp keeps tools for automated workflows, including customer journeys and other automated email sequences. Taking a moment to find the correct area is important, because birthday emails are not created as regular one-time campaigns. They need to be set up as an automation, so Mailchimp can send them at the right time without you needing to do anything manually. After the automation page opens, click Create. This will begin the process of making a new automated experience. Mailchimp may show different automation options depending on your account and setup, but for this task, you are looking for the option that lets you build a journey from the beginning. This gives you control over the starting point and the email that will be sent. Next, select Customer Journey, and then choose Build from Scratch. A customer journey lets you create an automated path for your contacts. In this case, the path will be very simple. A contact reaches their birthday or a date related to their birthday, and then Mailchimp sends the birthday email you design. Building from scratch is useful here because you only need the specific pieces required for this birthday automation. Now you will choose your audience. Select the audience that contains the contacts who should receive the birthday email. This should be the audience where birthday information is stored for your subscribers. After choosing the audience, set the starting point to birthday. The starting point tells Mailchimp what event should begin the journey. By choosing birthday, you are telling Mailchimp that this automation should begin based on the birthday field connected to each contact. Once the birthday starting point is selected, configure the trigger settings. This is where you decide exactly when the email should be sent. You can set it to send on the contact's birthday, or you can choose a specific number of days before the birthday. For example, sending on the birthday works well for a greeting or special birthday offer. Sending a few days before can be useful if you want the contact to have time to use a discount or prepare for an event. Choose the timing that best matches the purpose of your email. After the trigger settings look correct, click Save Starting Point. This saves the birthday trigger as the beginning of your customer journey. At this stage, you have told Mailchimp when the automation should start, but you still need to tell it what action to take after that trigger happens. Next, add a Send Email action to the journey. This action is what actually sends the birthday message to the contact. Place it after the birthday starting point so that when someone meets the birthday condition, Mailchimp knows to send the email automatically. This keeps the journey simple and focused. Now it is time to design your email content. Open the email design area and create the message your subscribers will receive. Add your birthday greeting, any offer or message you want to include, and make sure the content fits your brand. Keep the email clear, friendly, and easy to read. You can adjust the layout, text, images, and buttons as needed. Before moving on, review the email carefully so the message looks the way you want it to appear when it reaches your audience. Once your email content is finished and the journey is set up correctly, click Turn On to activate the journey. This final action makes the automation live. From this point forward, Mailchimp will use the birthday starting point and the Send Email action to automatically send your birthday email based on the timing you selected. And that is all there is to it. You have created an automated birthday email in Mailchimp using a customer journey.